Ecwid Dropshipping with Aliexpress 2024. In this video, we're going to be talking about an incredible venture that Ecwid provides you. So if you're a seller on AliExpress, you can turn that business into a proper e-commerce empire. And you're going to do that through Ecwid. And the way to do that with Ecwid is by dropshipping on AliExpress. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to ecwid.com/AliExpress. And over here, it says launch an online store in addition to your AliExpress business. With Ecwid, it takes minutes, but gives you so much. So you get organic visibility, where people will find you in search engines. You get brand security, where your brand will survive even if AliExpress collapses, and there are no fees. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on Get Started. And once we click on Get Started, it brings us here. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to add a first name and last name. And once you add that, I'm going to be using a temporary email for myself to sign myself in, but you don't necessarily have to do that. You can simply go ahead with any other provider that you work with. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write all these down and I'm going to click on next. Now, once you go to next, what it does is it takes you to the control panel. All right. Now in the control panel, what you're going to see is the proper onboarding procedure where you're going to complete the registration. All right. So it says get a head start on your store setup. You're going to give your store a name. So I'm just going to call it John's Store. All right. Then what's your current country and currency? So I'm going to go ahead with the correct details and I'm going to click on next. So it tells us add a company address to get paid and set up delivery. So you're going to add a city. So once you add a city, you're going to add a postal code. And you're going to click on next from there. So it says, do you already have an experience selling? So I'm going to go with I'm just getting started. What type of products will you be selling? So the best, in my opinion, when it comes to, proper drop shipping would be something like home improvement or kitchen stuff. So let's go with home improvement for now. And it says, are you setting up a store for someone else? So I'm going to go with no, but in the case that you are, you're going to go with yes. Now, once we do that, we're going to come here. Choose where you will be running your store. Do you already have a website? I'm going to go with no. And now it's going to give me my very own domain like that. So you're going to write your own custom, simple identified URL. And now it's going to bring you to the plans and pricings. So you have 4 basic plans. You have the free, venture, business, and unlimited. Now, the best part about Ecwid is that it actually lets you launch your business for free. And the free plan is forever. Obviously, there's no time limit because it's not a trial, it's a proper plan. Then you have the venture plan for $21, where everything in free, 100 products, connecting custom domains, and a whole lot more. And we have the business for $39, where you get 2,500 products, abandoned cart emails, creating and editing orders, subscriptions. And then finally, you have unlimited, which opens up the full suite of Ecwid and all the features you use. Obviously, currently, we're going to go with Create a Store. It's free just to scour the free features that Ecwid actually provides us. So once we're done with creating our account, what you're going to do is you're going to actually set up your website and storefront. It doesn't take a lot of time. So what you can do is you can set it up simply from this section. Now, I'm going to get into the setting up of websites later. What we're going to do right now is we're going to go over to our sales channel. Now, our sales channel could be anything, okay? It could be Squarespace, Joomla, Weebly, Wix, WordPress, but obviously, we want to go with AliExpress. Now, to go with AliExpress, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure to connect your website link from AliExpress to your Ecwid. So to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the domain settings. And once you open up the domain settings, you're going to go to site address, click on change address. And here you're going to add the domain for your AliExpress website. And once you add that, that will basically connect your AliExpress with your Ecwid. And from there on out, what you can do is you can start editing your website. So first of all, we have site appearance. Okay. So you can edit that from the basic editor section. And the best part about the editor is that it is totally drag and drop. There is no code. There is no art or design going on. It's a basic drag and drop editor that anyone can use and get their head around. Okay. It's pretty simple and it's pretty basic. So first of all, what it does is it actually gives us really good looking templates. So I'll go with something that will work with you. So we're going to go with this one. It's a pretty light and simple template, and it basically matches what I'm looking for. It has a good font, has good coloring, and has a good variety of products to add. So you can actually edit it from the left-hand side over here, where you can add different sections, and each section can be edited individually as you want it to be. Okay, so different cover and headlines, different taglines, titles, descriptions, and a whole lot more. So edit it how you want to, and then once that is done, basically you're going to publish the site. So it says the site is already published, so you're pretty much set and good to go. Now once the site is good to go and published, you're going to come back over here, and now we have a proper site with proper domain. Now how will you do drop shipping? Let's talk about that. So to do drop shippings, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to my sale. To go to my sales, you're going to click on how to get a sale, and what that will do is it will actually bring you to marketing, and you can promote different types of products on different various regions. Obviously that depends on you, on however you want to add things. But to add proper products, you're going to come over to catalogs, and as you can see, you get custom products through the theme. But if you want to add a product for yourself, you can import products from different regions. So to import products, you're going to go to import product catalog, and you can actually import a proper catalog file from AliExpress. All right, so once you import your catalog file over here, what's going to happen from there is all those products will appear in this section, and once they appear over here, you are going to upload them onto your store. So that basically loads up your store with the dropship product from AliExpress. So whatever products or whatever items you have on AliExpress will appear onto your Ecwid store, and obviously you can use your Ecwid store to actually do good marketing for yourself. Pretty basic and pretty easy stuff to get your head around, right? Now, one final thing that I'd like to discuss is the different channels that you can actually do marketing on. So first of all, you have Instagram. You can actually sell your AliExpress brands and your AliExpress products through Ecwid on Instagram. Okay, so you're going to connect yourself with the Meta servers and add all your products through the Instagram portal onto the Instagram marketplace. Same goes with Facebook. You can sell on Facebook, same through Meta and to the Facebook marketplace. Obviously, you're going to want to upgrade your plan. On the free plan, this is not available. Upgrade your plan to make a link up. Then same goes with TikTok. TikTok is also an incredible application to do proper advertisement on, because TikTok is used by pretty much most of the users out there nowadays. So, it's a great place to start off. And then finally, you have the link in bio managements. Okay, so basically you can create a link in bio, basically like a link tree. Okay, if you know what a link tree is, basically you create a link, and in that link, you're going to add separate other links that lead to different places, like let's say your social media platforms, your drop shipping, your affiliate marketing link, etc. So this is basically generally the idea of Ecwid and how you're going to use it. One final detail that I forgot to mention is shipping and pickup. Now, shipping and pickup is pretty important, because when you're doing drop shipping, especially from AliExpress, the shipping can be a little funny, because AliExpress's very own shipping can take quite a while. So what you can do is you can actually add shipping through Ecwid. So let's say I want to add a carrier by myself, say this. I'm going to add that. I'm going to click on setup. Now, it could either be free shipping, conditional free, flat rate, or custom rates. I'm going to go with free shipping for now because you're to access. And once you set up free shipping for yourself, basically that sets up proper shipping. You're going to save and finish, and you're pretty much good to go. So just like this, also set up your shipping when it comes to Ecwid dropshipping. So yeah, that's the basic idea about how you are going to be making an AliExpress store through Ecwid dropshipping. Now, if you found this video helpful, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.